Albert Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of truth. His groundbreaking theories reshaped our understanding of space, time, and energy, while his unconventional persona made him one of the most recognizable figures in scientific history. Beyond the equations and Nobel Prize, Einstein's life was a tapestry of perseverance, moral courage, and a deep belief in the power of imagination, proving that true innovation requires both intellect and humanity. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Albert Einstein grew up in a middle-class Jewish family. His early years showed little indication of future greatness. He spoke late, struggled with rigid schooling, and often clashed with authority. Yet he displayed an insatiable curiosity, particularly for mathematics and physics. At 5, his father gave him a compass, a simple gift that sparked a lifelong fascination with invisible forces. By 12, he devoured Euclidean geometry, mastering its logic with joyful determination. Despite his aptitude, traditional education stifled him. He later remarked that school killed creativity by prioritizing rote learning over questioning. In 1895, at 16, Einstein attempted to bypass high school and enter the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. He failed the entrance exam, not due to science, but because of poor French scores. Undeterred, he completed his secondary education in Aarau, Switzerland, where progressive teaching methods nurtured his independent thinking. In 1896, he finally enrolled in Zurich, studying physics and mathematics. There, he formed lifelong friendships with fellow students like Marcel Grossmann, whose mathematical expertise would later aid Einstein's work on general relativity. After graduation in 1900, Einstein faced hardship. Unable to secure a teaching position, he took a job as a patent examiner in Bern. 19,021,909. This mundane role became his intellectual sanctuary. Reviewing patent applications honed his ability to visualize physical problems, while leaving time for private research. It was here, in his miracle year of 1905, that he published 4 revolutionary papers on the photoelectric effect, laying foundations for quantum theory, on Brownian motion, proving the existence of atoms, on special relativity, introducing equals mc, 2, and redefining time and space, a follow-up on mass energy equivalence. These works catapulted him from obscurity to scientific stardom. Yet recognition came slowly. He continued teaching at various universities, including Zurich and Prague, before returning to Germany in 1914 to lead the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. There, he finalized his general theory of relativity 1915, which described gravity as the curvature of spacetime, a radical departure from Newtonian physics. The theory's validation came in 1919, when Arthur Eddington's solar eclipse observations confirmed Einstein's prediction that starlight would bend around the sun. The news made headlines worldwide, transforming Einstein into a global celebrity. He embraced his new role, using his fame to advocate for pacifism, civil rights, and international cooperation. His wit and humility endeared him to the public. Photos of him sticking out his tongue became iconic, contrasting sharply with the stereotype of a stern academic. Personal challenges shaped his life. His first marriage to Maliva Mari 1903-1919 produced 2 sons, but strained under professional and personal pressures. His second marriage to Elsa Wenthel 1919-1936 provided stability during his rise to fame. As a Jew in pre-war Germany, he faced increasing anti-Semitism. In 1933, he renounced his German citizenship and emigrated to the US, joining Princeton's Institute for Advanced Study. In America, he became a vocal critic of Nazism and nuclear proliferation, though his famous 1939 letter to President Roosevelt urged atomic research. Fearing Germany might develop the bomb first, he later regretted this role, becoming a leading voice for disarmament. His moral stance extended to civil rights. He befriended Paul Robeson and W.E.B. Du Bois, condemning racism in speeches and writings. Key contributions to science. Special relativity 1905. Time and space are relative to the observer's motion. See, speed of light is constant. General relativity 1915. Gravity results from spacetime curvature, not a force. Photoelectric effect. Light behaves as particles, photons, earning him the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. Brownian motion. Empirical proof of atomic theory. Cosmological constant. Early attempt to model a static universe, later deemed his biggest blunder. Unified field theory. His decades-long quest to merge electromagnetism and gravity unfinished at his death. His legacy transcends equations. He redefined how scientists think about reality, inspiring breakthroughs in cosmology, black holes, Big Bang theory, and technology. GPS relies on relativity corrections. His advocacy for intellectual freedom and social justice remains relevant in debates over science policy and ethics. His image, wild hair, pipe, and playful demeanor humanize genius, proving that creativity thrives outside convention. Einstein's later years were marked by quiet reflection. He continued working at Princeton, mentoring young scientists and pondering the universe's mysteries. He died on April 18, 1955, at age 76, after refusing surgery for a ruptured aortic aneurysm. His final words, spoken in German, were lost, a fitting end for a man who believed language could never fully capture the cosmos. Beauty. Today, his name is a cultural shorthand for brilliance. Institutions bear his name, from the Einstein Medical Center to the Albert Einstein Society. His papers, housed at Princeton, reveal a mind constantly questioning, sketching, and revising, a testament to the iterative nature of discovery. More than a scientist, he was a philosopher of wonder, once saying, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing." Einstein's story reminds us that transformative ideas often emerge from unlikely places. A patent office, a refugee's desk, or a child's fascination with a compass. His life was not a straight path to glory, but a journey of doubt, resilience, and an unwavering faith in the power of human imagination to unlock the universe's deepest secrets.